Welcome back. In this video, we're making cookies and cream cake balls. Grab 1 box of white cake mix, pour the mix into a bowl. For the rest, follow the instructions, so that's 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. Beat until combined. Fold in 3 tablespoons of black cocoa powder, pour into a baking pan, bake at 325 degrees for 29 to 34 minutes. Trim off any caramelization, break up the cake into small pieces. In goes 1 cup of cream cheese icing, mix until thoroughly combined, scoop out a portion of the mixture, roll them into balls, coat them all over in melted white chocolate, sprinkle Oreo cookie crumbs over the top, and there we have it, cookies and cream cake balls. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.